Having a look at the pr.spect.play. Basic ops here, info, no info. Well, usually means what you see is what you get. This is the default, I think, something like this, off and record here. So you put it on, and as you can see, it on, and it usually makes a full cycle, and it also depends on your playback position. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see, you recorded something, and then when you press record again and you do nothing, then it wipes it out, wipes it clean again. You can see by the display here whether something is on. So if I want to make it completely, now we can see it's totally white, so nothing on there. Let's record a cycle. So okay, yeah, well, the basic possibilities here is the denoise, blur, play, and a little filter, low, mid, high adjustment possibilities. And then you have this display here, on and record, and the possibility of saving some preset stuff. In the microphone going to, this one here, nothing there, everything through. You can have a look at the other videos I made about this routing section. So we put it on and we click on record and say, let's see how long. I think 4 seconds maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Well, yes. His position here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. No, slightly longer than 4 seconds, I think. 21, 22, 23, 24, 21, 22, 23, 22, even slightly less than 4 seconds per round. Let's try it again. 21, 22, 23, 21. It's always a bit weird how it operates. I work with it, but in such a way that it has a random feel to it. But anyway, that's a different story. So obviously this is the position of playback, and how fast he is playing back. I think if it's on 0, you can wait a very long time. Let me see. 21, 22, 23, 24, 21, 22, 23, 24, 21, 22, 23. Wow. Blurring is sort of like chopping the sample rate, I would say. Probably not quite correct, but it does sound a bit like going to 4-bit to me, maybe. And the denoise button fader slider is like it's filtering out. Oh, yeah. It's a very low rate, sample rate. So your playback speed is this. Yeah, very nice. If you record in this position though, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, and right, etc. 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Mm-hmm.